Hey, bud, you want a beer?
Hey, bud, what are you doing?
See, this dude wants to have a beer with me. What the hell? Where'd that guy go? He's got beer.
Yeah, what guy are you talking about?
Wake up.
What the? What the? What do you want?
Read this.
I'm not gonna read that. That's propaganda.
Read it now.
Fine. Like, share, and subscribe. Please. And happy Halloween, everybody.
Thank you for playing the game.
See? Oh, you get 2 for subscribing. Thanks, buddy.
It's all gonna be silent with Oh Jesus.
Is it cold? Should have made him do a bunch of turning because there's no power steering, so he
Right.
cried about it. He was right there. I swear, man.
Okay.
Acting sucks.
It does.
Said the whole thing was good. No, I put it on the top shelf so you can see the nacho chips as soon as the light works. Flip it up the middle. There. You see? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That'll be a good shot. Oh, that's awfully dark. Oh, it sucks.
That's perfect.
Really?
Yeah.
God damn, that's brighter than shit.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. This episode of Bad Tree. Here's our cast. Victim.
It was you
It was me
the whole
entire
time? Oh,
We don't ever know what happened to Jay.
I split. I didn't want to be a part of it.
He wasn't gonna listen to some guy tell him there's another guy there's beer out there.
Yeah, what the hell is that about?
Yeah, what the hell's that all about?
Happy Halloween.
Spooktacular.